Moment of silence for proud superstar. I mean, he didn't die, he's still here. But anyway. So what's up?
But, alright, anyway. You know what this is for?
Yeah. Oh, you're going to put the horns together, huh?
This is the mounting plate, and...
Show me. And...
I am not drilling holes in the car itself.
Right. I'm using existing holes, that sort of thing.
Right. I'm not drilling holes in this car.
I'm not a fan of drilling things unless it's, you know what I'm saying, a different situation.
These holes, these markings, because they're not a hole yet, that's going to be this.
Okay, right? Each one of them gets a spot, then you got...
Then, this... Right,
so, let's just
say that's there, right? This is going to go basically like right next to it. That's what this hole is.
Okay, kind of crooked. Oh, yeah,
just
that'll
like that.
work. That'll work. Why not?
Let's see. You look here. You got 1, 2, and 3. This right here is a water hose. I cut a little hole, if that's what you want to call it. This hose is for the heater core. That's what this is for. Goes through there. Put a nut. The reason why I'm going to take this back out is because, well, the horns and the little compressor, I think the compressor's going to go here. And the horn, but, you know, it's just right now with no purpose. So, I got to take this back off, put the horns and all that, put it back in, and start wiring up. So, I just made the holes a little bit bigger, okay? Alright. That's the horns connected. So now we're gonna bolt the compressor together now that the horns are done. See? And there you have it. Oh my god, this is the fun part.
With the compressor and everything you got?
Yeah.
Let's see. Can I tickle you?
No.
Tickle fight!
No!
Tickle fight!
That's how you... What hose is gonna hit the horn?
Yo, can you move out of the way?
That's what it's gonna sound like.
This is blue.
Blue.
Put it on right here.
What color do you want now?
I want it brown. Alright, so you need one, right? You need just one that goes all the way to black.
No.
Okay. Alright, well, that's the start. Okay. Giuseppe, how you making out?
Pretty good. I'm trying to find a spot for the relay right here. You know why? Because you'll burn out the switch if you don't put a relay.
Right, so you got a spot you want to put it?
Well, I don't want it visible.
Right, it's going to look stupid. Right.
Right, it's going to be a red square. And
here comes this classy Godfather car with a relay hanging out. So you want to hide it? Sure.
Dumb. So, it's going to be hidden
on the top part of behind the dash.
There's 2, 3 holes here.
Already there.
So I'm going to get one of these holes and I'm going to bolt it up on top of this little ledge right there. That's what that's going to be. But first, I want to snake all the wires through, connect them, and then you bolt this in.
It's going to be pretty tough if that's to connect the wires, if that's already bolted in.
So I went to go find the bolt for it that fits in this hole, because this hole is actually bigger than the one that's in the dash.
Where'd you get it?
You know where I got it? I went to the Dorman assortment.
Oh, that whole wall full of bolts you got? You got it. You just got to run a handful of wires and you're all set.
You know where I'm going to get the wire?
Where are you going to get it?
The Dorman wire.
Assortment. Get 7 feet, and this is going to be the one that goes to the horn. You can use this one right here. Watch what's gonna happen. That's 5. Give yourself room at least when you're pulling. Then I'll kick in. Here, splice both ends.
Actually, I have a new one from Dorman. More Dorman stuff.
Yeah? Go grab it. Let's use that.
Let's do it. Look, I didn't even use it yet.
Self-adjusting cutter stripper. Ali Cod Pel Capiles.
This is beautiful.
That is cool. Look, it's yellow and black.
I thought it was red.
All right, try it out. See how it works.
Try it. Hey, that's beautiful.
Perfect.
See?
Ready for the connection. Put your connections on and wire it in.
Let's do the other side. There you go.
There you go, Nancy. See?
So I have the perfect power source for the switch. See this right here? See how it's lighting up? That's a perfect power source for my switch. So I'm going to get this connector right here. I'm going to put it on the wire, but I don't know if it's going to fit. So that's what I'm going to check right now. It's literally almost as if it was made for this car. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's right in the middle. So now I'm going to take that nut out, get the wire, put this connector on, clamp it, bolt it on there, and then that's your power source for the switch.
Bash out 2 feet. That's
We're going
plenty.
to use a thinner one.
That's plenty.
I'm using?
Yeah, this is low current. Low is low.
Right. God bless.
Woo!
You good?
Yeah, I'm alright. I got them cats. I got allergies.
And there you go. That wire is now connected, so this is going to go to the switch. So the power source on the other side is connected. So now when you plug this in, the switch will be active. It'll work.
Alright, so you ran your power wire. That's to your switch.
See this?
Oh, your switch is in.
Ah, look.
Right there. Horn. Okay, we're going to test it before you bolt everything up. Battery.
Okay.
That goes to switch. See where it says switch?
What do you say we go ahead and...
One more thing. You're not done yet. You have to go ground the air pump.
Compressor.
You got to ground the compressor. So go do that and hit it. That's it. Should work.
All right.
Giuseppe, what happened? What are you doing?
See this switch I got? It's junk.
What happened with it?
I got it locally because I needed this thing done, right?
It jams?
It jams. Sometimes it get contact, sometimes it don't. It's not right at all.
What, do you got another one?
So, this morning, I got another one.
Ah, that's
Dorman.
chrome. I like
and
that.
And it's chrome.
That's a Dorman switch.
Yeah. Can I show you something? This actually has a connector. So you put the round connector and you use these bolts to put it on.
You don't have to worry about something falling
Unlike
off.
this, it's just...
Yeah.
There you go. So if you need to take it out...
This is just going to match the rest of the dish.
Yeah.
It's chrome, you know what I mean? Or some of it anyway. Put it on, bro. Put it on, brother.
That's all you can do. Pops!
Yo, I'm here. What's up?
I think I got everything connected. Ready to go.
Yeah?
I got the switch, the relay, all my ground wires, power wires, everything.
The hose.
The
You found the new hose?
Found the new hose, the hose, compressor horns. There's only one thing left to do.
What's that? Test it.
Test it out.
Let's see.
Hurry up! Okay.
Nice! That's it. Now you just need a radiator.
That's it.
And that's the last step. That's it. The car's
Basically.
Done. To the point where it needs a full restoration. But running, driving, horning, and everything. Right?
That's the way to put it.
After all these things that you did, and you got to work on with the wires and
the ground wires, the horn,
everything.
bolted
There's
together.
one more thing left to say. Taking over the world.
One Godfather car at a time.